Hey, welcome to this video, thanks for watching. While I briefly explain what you're going to see, you can have a look at our 78 Vanagon Daler. What a beauty, huh? Okay, we have the Westi interior, and one thing I never liked about it is the high closet at the driver's side next to the bed. It's a bit useless, like you can only use it for messy stuffing of bags, jackets and bedding, and before every access you have to move the table away. So this is what we did 2 days before our last trip to France. We added a door to the side of the closet with shelves like the original closet in the back. Behind the original door we add shelves to have a 10 cm deep closet for small stuff. All the needed door parts can be ordered in the matching color and material thanks to our very active Vanagon T3 part dealers. Thank you very much. I'll post the measures of the cutout, the shelves and the new middle board in the description. I had the boards cut to my needs in the, I don't know how you call it, home improvement store, wood store. Even if we did not finish the door in time for the trip, the shelves were much handier already. The access from the bed or from the trunk is way better. The door will be done after our van returns from his winter camp. That's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the time with your van. Safe rides, everybody. Bye.